How to use WhatsApp Web Complete Setup Guide. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm about to show you how you can use WhatsApp Web. So in order to use WhatsApp Web, simply open your web browser and go to web.whatsapp.com. I repeat, web.whatsapp.com. I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. Now there are two ways that you could log in with. One is that you can simply scan this QR code using your WhatsApp app on your phone, or you can log in with your phone number. If you want to log in with phone number, you can select this option and you can enter your phone number and link it as a companion device. Or let's say if you want to go ahead and then log in with particular QR code itself. For that, what you have to do is you have to make sure to simply launch your smartphone. So basically on your smartphone, what you have to do is just launch WhatsApp. And once you launch WhatsApp on your smartphone, tap on this three dots from the top right hand side, and there you can see this option called linked devices. So all you have to do is tap on this linked devices tab, and here you'll find the option to link a device. So now tap on link a device option, verify with your biometrics, and simply scan this QR code on your phone. Once you scan the QR code, you can see the process to log in will begin and you'll be successfully logged in on your web browser. And this way you can use WhatsApp Web. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.